Hello and welcome to this unboxing video of the Hornby Hogwarts Express model train. Harry Potter has continued to captivate audiences, and this is now Hornby's attempt to add a little magic for fans. Muggles and wizards of all ages will love recreating the journey from King's Cross and the iconic platform 9 3/4 to Hogsmeade station. And now with Hornby, you can do just that. So today we are going to be unboxing the Hogwarts Express. But also as part of Hornby's Harry Potter collection, you can get buildings from Harry Potter as well. And that includes King's Cross itself, which we've got here. So Hornby are going to be releasing a range of individual resin buildings to go along with your Hogwarts Express train. And if you're interested in any of these magical products, you can find them at your local railway shop or online on Amazon or Hornby's own website. So with that out of the way, let's unbox this and have a look. Okay, so inside the box you've got, of course, the Hogwarts Castle 5972-460 locomotive. You've got two Hogwarts Mark I coaches. You've got the third Radius Starter Oval. You've got Track Pack A with point and buffer stop. You've got the P9200 wall plug transformer, an R8250 train controller, an R8206 power track, and a Hornby MIDI mat. And here we go, here's the train now fully unboxed. And there's the Hogwarts Express itself in its brilliant Hogwarts red. And this is a DCC ready train, so it hasn't got DCC fitted, but you can get a DCC fitted version for a higher cost. So yeah, you get the two coaches, you get the Hogwarts Express itself, you get a selection of track for it to go on. The Hogwarts Express itself has got working headlights. You can also buy more coaches from Hornby if you want to do that. But I think as a complete set, this is actually a really good value set, because you're getting the locomotive itself, which is an iconic locomotive if you're a fan of the series, and you're also getting a couple of coaches, and you're getting plenty of track to go with it. As a child, I actually owned my own version of the Hogwarts Express, so this is quite exciting for me to have a look at, and I am maybe considering getting one myself. So this is an exact replica of the actual locomotive itself, and just having a look at it, like, it does look very screen accurate. So if you're a big fan of the films or the books, I think you're going to really appreciate how detailed this is. Just having a look at the coach itself, you can actually see the individual apartments that the characters would have sat in. That's quite exciting to see as a fan myself, that you can actually see where those moments would have happened. That's how detailed it is, for even the interior of the coaches looks like how it does in the films. So also in the pack you get the track, and it's really detailed as you'd expect, and you get the train controller, a transformer, and all the other little kind of accessories you might expect from a Hornby set you get in this. You can get this whole set for about £199.99, and that's available on Hornby's website, or you can find it in your local model railway shop. But if you want to fully recreate the journey of Harry Potter himself, then you might also want to get a building. And Hornby are doing a range of buildings as well. And today we're going to be having a look at the King's Cross station. So we're going to start unboxing that now, and we'll get that out and have a look at it. So now that we've got it fully unboxed, we'll have a go at putting this together and showing you how it looks when you've finished it. And there we have the finished King's Cross station, platform 9 3/4 itself. And this is quite a nice looking set. You've got a nice amount of parts here, you've got different kind of bits going on. I really like the walls. You can see the little signs for platform 9 3/4 on it. They've got little clocks, little 9s for the platforms. It all looks really nice and it'd be really good for recreating moments from Harry Potter. It's really simple to put together. It comes with instructions as well, so you know how to put it together, you know it's quite an easy process. And it's just one of a range of buildings you can get from Hornby that are all Harry Potter themed. So you can also get Hogsmeade Station, which comes with loads of different parts, and you can make a really detailed station out of that. But this King's Cross itself, this all comes in the same box, it's all the same thing. And actually you're getting quite a lot of model here for your money. Okay, so now we'll actually see what it looks like with the train inside it. So if I just get a couple of bits of the track. Okay, so I'm now just going to put the train onto the track. Okay, so there we have the finished set. So if you've bought the train itself and King's Cross Station, this is what it's going to look like. And that does look really cool. That's, as a Harry Potter fan, that is quite exciting to see all of that together. So the King's Cross Station itself, you can pick up for £49.99, and you get that from the Hornby website, or you can find it in your local railway shop as well. It's a really nice looking set, and I think if you got that as well as the Hogwarts Express, then you've pretty much already got a layout there before buying anything else. What it will suit as well is beginners to model trains, because it's a franchise that you will recognise, the Harry Potter franchise, but it also kind of just gets your first foot in the door of other model trains, and it'll probably, you know, kick-start the enthusiasm of a lot of people into model trains itself. So yeah, it's a really nice set overall. I really love the Hogwarts Express itself, and the King's Cross Station is just like a kind of cherry on the top, you know, really helps recreate that magic of Harry Potter. And if you liked what you've seen here, then watch this space, because the Railway Magazine Guide to Modelling is going to be doing a Harry Potter layout coming soon. So stay tuned for that.